Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Cryptomania app. So if you also want to use Cryptomania app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Cryptomania is a trading simulator which is a very safe space to trade, observe actual market movements and test various strategies without risking your funds. So if you also want to use Cryptomania app, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Cryptomania application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Cryptomania app has been opened. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Here I've already created my account. Signing up for the account is very simple. Sign up for your account and sign in to your account. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official home interface of Cryptomania. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to see your available balance over here. Also, you'll be able to find several options like dividends, daily reward, challenges, shop, auction, top investors, premium, and trades. So if you want to start trading, over here you'll also be able to find the option for start trading. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to sell and buy the cryptos. At top you'll be able to see the crypto that is selected right now. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to select the trading pair. You'll be able to see the cryptos over here. You'll be able to find several varieties of cryptos. Simply tap on the crypto that you want to sell or buy. Now over here you'll be able to see the chart. You can analyze the chart very carefully. After that you can decide whether you want to invest in this crypto or not. So if you want to buy this crypto, simply tap on the option buy that you can see right over here at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here you'll be able to buy the crypto. Over here what you have to do is enter the amount of crypto you want to buy. Simply enter the amount. You can also choose the multiplier. Simply tap on the field for multiplier. After that you'll be able to choose the multiplier. The multiplier for more than 5 will only be available for premium. So simply tap on the option of your choice. You can also see the volume and commission over here. So if you want to buy, simply tap on the buy option that you can see right over here. After that you can see over here you just brought a crypto. Likewise, you can also sell the crypto. In order to sell the crypto, simply tap on the option sell. After that, you'll be able to sell it. The process is similar. Simply enter the amount. So if you want to sell, simply tap on the option sell. After that, you can see over here that crypto will be sold. Like this, you'll be able to buy and sell the crypto. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find several icons. So if you tap on the third icon, you'll be able to see the tournaments over here. You can also join the tournament if you want. If you tap on this icon, you'll be able to see the Invest Empire over here. You can unlock the area if you want. Now if you tap on this icon, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see your kit over here. You can also see the special offers over here. You can grab the offer if you want. Likewise, if you tap on the profile icon, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to view your profile over here. If you scroll down, you'll also be able to log out and delete your account. You can also access the settings of the Cryptomania app if you want. Simply tap on the home icon. After that, what you have to do is tap on the 3 lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. From here, you'll be able to access the settings like Cryptomania community, notifications, FAQ, privacy policy, rate us, language, etc. Like this, you can also explore the settings options. You can also get the premium if you want. If you want to get the premium version of Cryptomania, simply tap on the option get premium. After that, you'll be able to see the plans over here. From here, you'll be able to purchase the plan and get the premium version of Cryptomania. You'll be able to explore more features over there. So like this, you'll be able to explore the features of Cryptomania app. Explore the features, it is very simple. You'll be able to use the Cryptomania app very simply. So that is how you use Cryptomania app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.